Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see getters in Vuex. So in my previous video we have seen actions and mutations. So today we will see getters in Vuex. So let's get started. So in my previous video I've displayed this list. Let me show you add form also. And now let me show you DB. So here you can see 4 entries, and in list also you can see 4 entries are displayed. So this one in last video I've used mutations, and in store I have updated this list, and using store I have displayed this table. So before moving forward, let me show you what is getters. So basically getters you can consider like computed properties in Vue. So in Vuex you can consider computed property as getters. So like similarly with computed properties, result is cache. So here getters result also will be cached, and based on its dependencies, if dependencies are going to change, then getters result will be changed. So now let me show you a simple example here. So let's say with table you have seen total number of rows. So let's display that. So here let's write one paragraph, and here you can write total rows. So here total rows we will be getting from getters in Vuex. So now let's go to store, and in getters, so write total users, and this will be like a function type only. So write return and write state dot user list, and we'll be getting length because it's a array. So write state dot user list dot length. So now in list let's display. So in total rows you can directly also write there this store getters and then getter name, that is total users. But now let's just call using computed. So so in computed write let's say total users count, and inside that return this store dot getters dot total users. And now let's display this total users count in our paragraph total rows. So now let's check in browser, and you can see there is one error of undefined. So we need to add one condition here. Let's say state dot user list not equals to undefined. Then you need to give length, otherwise you can give 0. So now you can see no errors, and let's see total count. So you can see it's giving 4. So that's one example of how you can use getters. So now let's say if you want to apply any filter in your table. So here let's say you want to like fetch your results using gender, a particular gender you want. So here now let's create another getter for that. So write get users by gender, and it will have state and one id. Oh, it's not the id, basically here we will be passing gender. So now here we'll be returning state dot user list, and here we will be writing let's say find, and inside find we will be passing our, basically it will give us our loop kind of. So here first let's get user, and that user we will be matching with our gender. So write user dot gender if double equals to, we have but id we have provided. So here just change id to gender, and this gender we will be writing it here. So it will return particular gender data. So now in our list let's get this in computed property. So write same, let's say get users by gender. Let me just change in users only. Let me have condition there only. I'm just going to remove this another computed property. So now right here this store getters dot get users by gender, and inside that let's pass, let's say male we need to pass. Okay, here also one condition I need to apply. Let's say if gender is blank, then I need to return all the list. Otherwise, if gender is available, then return that particular gender. So here write return state dot user list. So if gender available, then particular gender, otherwise full list. So here pass argument that is male. So now let me just remove one's argument and let me check if I'm getting complete list. let's check in browser and it's giving undefined error. So let's add condition here. Let's say if state.userList is not equals to undefined, then only return particular gender here. So let me pass male as parameter. So let's see. So it's giving result, but all are blank. So let me see. Okay, so here you can see user list is a array, but whereas this find is giving just object. So here I need to have one array. So now you can see one field is present. So now let me just remove male and the see all user list. And also one thing, gender here, it will not be blank, it will be undefined. So now refresh, and here you can see now I'm seeing complete list here. So here one issue I can see, so you can see gender male, it's 3 rows should come. So I have used find here, so we need to use filter basically instead of find. So it's just that I want to show you getters, so that is my more focus. So you can use filter. It depends on your logic, what is there inside your getter function. So I hope you get how to use getters in Vuex. So that's all in this video. In my next video we will see edit in Vuex. So that will be seeing state there. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.